Now for Lloyd's mirror, we have to draw the mirror first. So it is about 5 to 6 centimeter long mirror. At the end of the mirror, you have to draw the screen. So this should be our screen. And then you have to draw the ray first, which is parallel to the mirror. So at 1.5 to 2 centimeter above the mirror, you have to draw this parallel ray. This is incident ray from the real source. We will draw that real source afterwards. And second ray is coming from this mirror at the extreme end. Almost it is touching the end of the mirror. So this is reflected ray. Then you have to draw the dotted line to create virtual source. Then because it is a reflected ray, you have to draw this almost similar angle to the angle of incidence, and angle of reflection should be same, nearly same. So you can draw this incident ray up to this point, and then you can extend this first parallel ray to this point, and now you will get the real source. So by connecting this reflected and direct rays, you will get the real source in the diagram. This should be the correct diagram. So this is direct ray, and this is after reflection you are getting on the screen. At the same alignment, you can draw this, the faint line first. You can draw this faint line also, and up to this point you can extend this dotted line, and then you will get the virtual source. So now this is real source, and this is virtual source. This point and this point. Now you can draw different rays, like next ray is coming in this direction at the central part of the mirror. So it is falling at the central part of the mirror, and the second ray is falling on the other side of the mirror, means the other end of the mirror, almost touching the other end. So almost touching the other end, and then here first they will form from the virtual source to the screen distance. So from mirror you can draw the solid line. Similarly for the second ray also. So these are dotted lines up to the mirror from virtual source, and from mirror to screen solid lines. Now connect real source and these solid lines, real source to central ray with solid line, real source to the third line at extreme end. So you will get the interference pattern by two different lines. So these are direct and reflected rays, direct and reflected rays. So this is our screen, and you will get the interference pattern on the screen. This is our Lloyd's mirror. And don't forget to draw all arrows everywhere, for each of the ray is moving from real source to the screen, real source to the mirror, and then after reflection it is again moving to the screen. So then our diagram is complete.